Hi. My New Year's resolution is to complete at least 100,000 words. And to be precise, this blog is at around 86 to 87,000 words. And we have completed around 86 to 87,000 words, and we are aiming to reach 100,000 words. That is 1 lakh words. The training sessions have also started off, and I am hoping to receive a positive response from all of my readers and the people who are, actually interested in what we have to say. We cover the basics to advanced level digital marketing in this course, and the articles that I write are purely content, and this content improves the overall writing ability. So, I also quote, learning is from the cradle to the grave. And I think that's about it. I just wanted to share my New Year's resolution with you all. And thank you.